Diagnostic passage. When a student from another country comes to study in the United States, he has to find the answers to many questions, and he has many problems to think about. Where should he live? Would it be better if he looked for a private room off campus or if he stay in a dormitory? Should he spend all of his time just studying? Shouldn't he try to take advantage of the many social and cultural activities which are offered? At first, it is not easy for him to be casual in dress, informal in manner, and confident in speech. Little by little, he learns what kind of clothing is usually worn here to be casually dressed for classes. He also learns to choose the language and costumes which are appropriate for informal situations. Finally, he begins to feel sure of himself. But let me tell you, my friend, this long-awaited feeling doesn't develop suddenly, does it? All of this takes practice.